Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to guide you on how to make highlights on Instagram step-by-step process. So, let's get in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then swipe from the home page to open the camera roll. At the bottom left, tap the gallery icon. Scroll down and select the photo from the gallery you want to add to your highlight. After selecting the photo, tap arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select on share. Then click add to highlight, give your highlight a name and tap add. After that, tap done. To check if your highlight is added, go to the bottom right corner of your profile. Tap the three-line menu under the bio and you'll see your highlights. And that's it. You've successfully added a highlight on Instagram. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.